Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a business license in Georgia. First, you need to identify the specific licenses and permits your business will require. This often depends on your business structure and industry. Next, research the requirements at the federal, state, and local levels. Finally, collect all essential documents, such as your business name registration and tax identification numbers, to streamline your application. At the state level, your first step is to register your business with the Georgia Secretary of State. This establishes your legal entity. Next, you will need to secure a Federal Employer Identification Number, or FAIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This 9-digit number is crucial for tax purposes. Additionally, some professions require specific state-issued occupational licenses, so verify if your field falls into this category. Moving to the local level, you must contact your specific city and county government offices. Most businesses need a local business license, frequently referred to as an occupational tax certificate. This permit allows you to operate within that jurisdiction. Furthermore, it is vital to ensure your chosen business location adheres to all local zoning regulations and building codes before you finalize your application. Once you have gathered all information and completed the forms, submit your applications with accurate and complete details. Be prepared to pay all necessary fees associated with each license and permit. These fees can vary significantly by municipality and business type. Finally, remember that most business licenses require annual renewal. Staying on top of these renewals ensures your business remains compliant and avoids potential penalties.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.